head protection. Don't lose your head. Without it, no one can live. You can still work with missing fingers, hands, or legs, but not without your head. Head protection is vital, and today, we're talking about it. The helmet is one of the most important safety equipment pieces in the industry. Many of you have heard or seen workers who nearly lost their life, but thanks to a helmet, they were saved. Today, we'll talk about the helmet itself, the risks that can damage it, and its care and maintenance. The helmet's life depends on work conditions, but also other factors, like heat, cold, chemicals, UV rays, etc. The helmet consists of two main parts: the shell, the hard outer layer, and the suspension system inside. Both parts are crucial. They can't protect you without each other. Both need regular inspections and maintenance. The shell absorbs impacts and deflects sharp objects. Look for cracks or scratches, even small ones. If you find any, replace the helmet immediately. Small cracks often lead to larger ones. If the helmet has been impacted, whether you were wearing it or not, inspect it before using it again. Now, let's talk about the suspension system. The adjustable band inside keeps the helmet at the correct distance from your head. This space is crucial for airflow. The purpose of the suspension straps is to absorb impact energy. Keep the straps in optimal condition. Never place objects inside the helmet, like gloves or cigarette packs. This blocks the impact absorption space, reducing protection. Never paint your helmet. Paint solvents can damage the helmet material. Use adhesive tape for identification instead. Finally, check your helmet regularly. Inspect both inside and outside. We have many body parts we can replace, but only one head. Take care of it. Without it, we're nothing.